was in the Air Force. He was stationed over across the Pacific Ocean by Guam in Japan.
It's a good day to celebrate the people who have served our country. My veteran is my grandpa. He served in the Vietnam War, and it was like in the 60s, so I know, yeah. I think it went good. I really liked the speaker. I think that was really good. I think there were some groups of people that could have been more respectful, but for the majority, I think it was good.
Veterans Day to me is very special. As I told everyone in the assembly, I'm definitely from a military family. You know, I thought it went really well. I appreciated the performance by the vocal music students and the band and our speakers, and how student council had everything organized and decorated. It felt really good. I hope it gives context and actual faces so they know who these people are that are sacrificing for them and their country.